Don't eat the fiberglass. Jeez. Bottom of the shower, where the toilet hump used to be, and ginormous hole. Cut it out. And I'm using a section of the ceiling because I'm going to replace the ceiling in this thing. But, gotta start fiberglassing it all in. In about 30 hours, I think we're supposed to get a bunch of snow. My plan for the weekend was to have the cabin chassis out from under the skeleton of the camper so I could skin the front of the camper and under the bunk and stuff where you can't get with the truck attached to it. And it's like 20 degrees in the shop here right now because I got the doors open because I'm planning on running this thing, and I'm not putting heat in the shop if I'm going to run this smoker. So I don't know. We'll see if we get it done. The answer is no. No, not even close to being able to get this off in one night. It's unbolted, but there's other problems that are presenting themselves as usual with my life. So anyway, we'll get it. Can't fail.
How's my makeup?
This over here will be the entry door. You'll come in the side of the camper, walk past the kitchen island, peninsula, whatever you want to call it. And this big area over here will be open because the slide out will be all the way out. It opens up that area. Come around to the main part of the kitchen here, a little wraparound countertop. Refrigerator on the outside wall so it can vent. Propane heater. I saw my camera was super crooked. Sorry about that. Propane heater venting to the outside. Sink above that. We were originally thinking put it on like a 45 degree. Yeah, see, I need some glue gloves. But it's not going to work for several reasons. And we're just going to put the sink on a 90 degree with the side of the camper right above the heater there. Maybe be able to hide another small water tank on the other side of the heater. This tube used to be 1 by 1. Now it's 1 by 2. And the reason I cut it out and replaced it is because it carries a lot of weight. Carries the bunk that's attached to it, which, gosh, gotta turn this thing like crazy to be able to get it all in picture. But this gigantic area that's open on the side of the truck will be the slide out, and this thing has to carry a lot of weight on the front. So it was 1 by 1. I wasn't happy with it, so I swapped it out 1 by 2. We are nothing if not inefficient. Inefficient, inefficient. Don't ever get irritated if it doesn't go right the first time, because failure is always an option. You guys want to go along? Huh? Should we go tow some junk out of the ditch? Yeah? Want to go? Yeah? Yeah? Come on, Daisy. Up. Come on. Stop thinking about it. Jump. What did he just do? Holy crap. He's hitting the brakes. Well, that sucked. The guy was high as a kite. Certainly not fit to drive a car. Whatever. We'll deal with it, huh? Huh? We got it. Couple of barrels in the front and my support jacks in the back. Slowly rolling this junk out from under it. Hey, check that out, it didn't fall yet. Oh, look at that, you can do a burnout. 12 valve torque. Well, that wasn't sketchy at all, but it won't be up there any longer, and it takes me to weld in the front structure here of the bunk and skin the front and the underside of the bunk, and then I'll let it down. I'm going to put my tractor in the way just for a safety precaution, but it's pretty stable sitting there the way it is. Dang it! Set my chest on fire on that one. Gosh, what a mess. This is going to be a nice feature. Let's see if I can walk to it without dying. 2 plastic skylights right above where your head's going to be when you're sleeping in the bunk. Yeah, it's going to be nice. Did we at least do a good job, huh? It was a lot of work. Good with it. Smells like burning hair. I hope my nipples are alright.